Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 cone here, and we got about u equals to number 0. When s approaches to positive infinity, so we put this one gone here, and we got about u equals to b over 2. So number 0 we keep the same. This one we change for b over 2. Arctanx of s we change for u. This one we change for du. The integration of u, that is about u squared over number 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. Now we put b over 2 gone here. And this one we got b squared over number 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.